Welcome to Biohacking Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of biohacking, where science meets self-improvement and where you can take full control of your biology to unlock your body's full potential. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, lose weight, improve your mental clarity, or just feel better every day, biohacking offers a suite of tools and strategies designed to help you reach your goals efficiently. Let's start with what biohacking is. Biohacking is essentially the art and science of changing both the environment around you and the environment inside of you so that you can fully control your biology. It's a term that was officially added to the dictionary in 2018, and it's all about using cutting-edge research, ancient wisdom, and some common sense to tweak your body and mind to perform at their best. The ultimate goal? To make sure you are the one driving your health and performance, not just going along for the ride. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful biohacks that you can start implementing today. These biohacks are low cost or even no cost and offer the highest possible return on investment for your time and effort. If you're looking for ways to optimize your health without spending hours on complex routines, these tips are for you. Biohack Hash 1: Cold showers. First up, cold showers. This might sound extreme, but trust me, it's worth it. Start your day with a regular warm shower, but for the last minute or so, turn that knob all the way to cold. Aim the cold water at your forehead and chest, where you have the most cold receptors. It's going to be uncomfortable, especially on the first day. You might even find yourself screaming or cursing at the water, but stick with it. By the 3rd day, you'll notice something incredible. What was once unbearable now feels invigorating. Cold exposure stimulates your body to produce new, more efficient mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, leading to increased energy and resilience throughout the day. Cold showers also improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and can even boost your mood. Start with just 10 seconds and work your way up to a minute or more. Biohack Hash 2: Bright light management. Next, let's talk about bright light management. In our modern world, we're constantly exposed to artificial blue light from screens, which can leave us feeling drained and craving sugar by the end of the day. This is where blue light blocking glasses come in. These glasses, like the ones from TrueDark, help filter out the harmful blue light that disrupts your circadian rhythm and saps your energy. Wearing these glasses while you're indoors or working late can drastically reduce eye strain and prevent that late afternoon crash. You'll be amazed at how much more energy you have at the end of the day. This simple change can make a huge difference in how you feel and how well you sleep, which brings us to our next hack. Biohack Hash 3: Intermittent fasting. One of the most popular and effective biohacks out there is intermittent fasting. The idea is simple. Instead of eating breakfast first thing in the morning, skip it. By extending the natural fast that occurs when you sleep, you give your body more time to burn fat, reduce insulin levels, and trigger cellular repair processes. When you skip breakfast and wait until noon to eat, your body goes into a state of autophagy, a process where cells clean out the damaged components and recycle them. This not only helps you lose weight, but also improves brain function and boosts your energy levels. If you're new to intermittent fasting, start slow. Try fasting for 12 hours and gradually increase to 16 hours. And remember, intermittent fasting doesn't have to be every day, especially if you're under a lot of stress or if you're just starting out. You can start with intermittent fasting a few days a week and gradually build up as your body adapts. For those who are more advanced, or if you're looking to optimize your fasting experience, consider using exogenous ketones and electrolytes. Biohack Hash 4: Exogenous ketones and electrolytes. Now, let's talk about how to support your body when you're cutting out sugar and diving into intermittent fasting. One of the biggest challenges people face when they start fasting or reduce their sugar intake is the lack of energy, or the infamous keto flu, a set of symptoms that can include headaches, fatigue, and irritability as your body adapts to burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. This is where exogenous ketones come in. Exogenous ketones are a supplement that can help bridge the gap as your body transitions into a state of ketosis, a metabolic state where you burn fat for fuel instead of carbs. By taking exogenous ketones, you can boost your energy levels, enhance mental clarity, and avoid the dreaded keto flu. They essentially provide your body with an immediate source of ketones, giving you the benefits of ketosis without having to wait for your body to fully adapt. In addition to exogenous ketones, It's crucial to maintain your electrolyte levels, especially when fasting or on a low-carb diet. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are vital for maintaining energy levels, muscle function, and overall hydration. When you reduce carbohydrate intake, your body loses more electrolytes, so it's essential to replenish them. You can do this by consuming mineral-rich foods, drinking electrolyte-enhanced water, or taking supplements. Biohack #5, Sleep Optimization. Finally, let's focus on sleep, which is one of the most critical aspects of biohacking. Quality sleep is non-negotiable if you want to perform at your best. There are countless sleep hacks out there, but one you might not have heard of is raising the head of your bed by about 6 inches. This simple change can significantly improve the quality of your sleep by enhancing the glymphatic system, a waste clearance system in your brain that becomes more active while you sleep. When your bed is slightly inclined, it helps the natural drainage of waste from your brain, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and improving overall cognitive function. Another crucial tip is to avoid turning on bright lights if you wake up during the night. Use a dim, red nightlight or your phone's red light setting to minimize the disruption to your circadian rhythm. Even a brief exposure to bright light can trick your brain into thinking it's daytime, disrupting your sleep cycles. Additionally, black out your bedroom as much as possible. Even a small amount of light, like from streetlights outside, can interfere with your sleep quality. Studies have shown that sleeping in a completely dark room can significantly reduce your risk of depression and improve overall sleep quality. Biohack #6, Gratitude Practice. To wrap up, let's touch on a biohack that is incredibly simple, yet profoundly effective: practicing gratitude. Every night, take a moment to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. This could be as simple as enjoying a great cup of coffee, spending time with a loved one, or accomplishing a task at work. Practicing gratitude has a powerful impact on your nervous system, helping to shift you out of fight or flight mode and into a state of relaxation and positivity. When you focus on the positive aspects of your day, no matter how small, you trigger a cascade of beneficial changes in your body, from reducing stress hormones to improving heart rate variability. This practice can be done at any time, before bed, in the morning, or even during dinner. It's a simple, cost-free way to biohack your mindset and improve your overall well-being. Final thoughts. These 6 biohacks are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to optimizing your biology. Start with these simple, low-cost strategies and see how they impact your energy, focus, and overall health. Remember, biohacking isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, sustainable adjustments that add up to significant improvements over time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Biohacking Tips and Tricks for more videos on how to take control of your biology and unlock your full potential. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.